Hello guys, my name is Alan Paul. You are 16CA006 and today we are going to do the second experiment in the Java programming in Java lab. So in the second experiment we are using matrix and arrays. So the first experiment, that is a first question in the second experiment is we are creating an array and putting elements in that, and then we are searching for a number in that, searching for an element in that array, and then we are finding the index of that number. So we, as in the first experiment, we have the Java util scanner class. So import java.util.scanner public class experimento public, and in the main function we have the scanner s equal to new scanner system.in, and for defining an array we have int array is equal to new int n. Now we are asking the user to enter the size of the array. The size of the array will be n, and then we are asking the user to enter the data. So we are creating a for loop for entering the data into the array. So for I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, then array I equal to sc dot next int, that is, it will keep on storing until we get the size of the array. So now we are asking the user to enter the data that is to be searched for. So we have item, we are giving that variable as item. So now we have a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, if array I equal to item count plus plus, and we'll calculate the index, and it will show the it will print for the it is found at the index of the index. If count is equal to 0, we'll show that we'll print that the element is not found, or we'll say that the number is repeated. Therefore, while running this program, we can see that on running the program, we are asked for the size of the array, so we'll enter 5, enter the data 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now it is asking for the data to be searched for, so we'll enter 2, and it is showing that it is found a number, it is showing that it is found at index 1, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore this program is executed successfully. Now the second question, also we are creating an array, and we are asking the user for the size, the data that is to be entered in the array. Then we are sorting the array in ascending and descending order. So as in the first question, we are asking the user to enter the size, and we are asking the user to enter the data. And now in a for loop, we are going to we have two for loops. Now we'll show that after sorting the array in ascending order, we'll print that sorted array in ascending order is equal to, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, system.out.println is equal to array I. And then we'll print it in the descending order also. So on running the program, we'll get size of the array will be 5. So we'll enter 2, 24, 35, 46, 56 and 67. So the sorted array in descending order will be 24, 35, 46, 56 and 67, while the sorted array in descending order will be 67, 56, 46, 35 and 24. Therefore this experiment is done executed successfully. So now in the third question, we are creating a matrix. Therefore we are asking the user to enter the first row of the matrix and the first column of the matrix, and then we are asking the user to enter the second row and the second column of the matrix. Similarly, after the user enters the matrix, we'll check if the matrix is eligible for multiplication. If it is eligible for multiplication, we'll ask the user to enter the elements of the first matrix. Similarly, we'll ask the user to enter the elements of the second matrix using a for loop. Now after the user has entered the elements of both the matrices, we'll create a third matrix that will store the value of the multiplied matrices. So after multiplying the matrices, we will print that the product of the matrices is, using the for loop, we'll print the matrix C, and if it is not eligible, we'll just print that it is the matrix is not eligible for multiplication. So on running the program, we can see enter the row for the first matrix. We'll enter 2 and the column also 2. Second matrix also will go by 2 by 2. Eligible for, therefore it will show that it is eligible for multiplication. We'll enter the elements for the first matrix. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we'll enter the elements of the second matrix. It will be 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore the product of the matrices is 19, 22, 53 and 50. Therefore this program is done successfully. Now the fourth program also will create a matrix and ask the user to enter the elements of the matrix. So after the user enters the element of the matrix, we'll show the user the given matrix, and we'll find out. This question is basically just to find the smallest and the largest element in the matrix. So we have min and max for this. Then using a for loop, we'll find the minimum element and the maximum element in the matrix, and at last we'll just print the smallest and the largest element in the matrix is. So when we run the file, asking the enter the elements of the matrix, so we'll again go for a 2 by 2 matrix. So when entering the matrix, we'll just directly entering the elements. So we'll go to 3, 1, 4, 76, 8, 24, 3, 20 and so on. We'll keep on entering. So on entering the matrix, we can go, it will show the given matrix is like this: 2, 2, 3, 1, and this, the smallest element will be 1 and the largest element that we have entered is 232. Therefore that is the largest element. So now in the last question, we'll again ask the user to enter the matrix. So here we have two matrices, A and B, which are 3 into 3 matrices. So we'll ask the user to enter the elements in the matrix, then we'll find the transpose of these matrices. So on executing this program, element of the matrix, we'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we'll see that the transpose is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will show the transpose only. Therefore, this experiment number 2 has been executed successfully.